This is your feed and stock report for Wednesday, April 15th. The information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Steers 900 plus, 464 to 488, 8 to 900, 497 to 522, 7 to 800, 531 to 578, 6 to 700, 631 to 685, 5 to 600, 690 to 735, 4 to 500, 741 to 835, 3 to 400, 890 to 940. Heifers 900 plus, 422 to 435, 8 to 900, 469 to 475, 7 to 800, 495 to 532, 6 to 700, 544 to 603, 5 to 600, 628 to 652, 4 to 500, 667 to $7. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Tuesday, so no new trade report, but there's a good chance scatter trade will develop by this afternoon. Packer inquiries have already been reported. For the first quarter of this year, Western Canadian fed slaughter is down 5,000 head versus last year and is the smallest slaughter volume since 2019. First quarter cow slaughter volumes are the smallest since 2016. Canfax released its April 1st cattle on feed report last week, and it should be viewed as negative. Feedlot placements for the month of March were above last year, the second consecutive month that placements have been above last year. April 1st cattle on feed inventories are above last year and above the 5-year average. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Tuesday, D1 to 2 cows, 233 to 245, D3 cows, 211 to 228. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 247 to 262. In the U.S., other than a few cattle trading in Kansas at steady money, business has been quiet in all other feeding states. Beef cutout values have struggled. Looking at the one positive, lower prices has attracted buying interest from both retailers and the food service sector. Last week, box beef load counts on the spot market for 0 to 21-day delivery were the largest seen this year. Moving past Easter, beef retail featuring should pick up, and there are a couple bigger holidays upcoming that should support beef demand as well. National bony cows average, 332.78 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.88, up 10 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. April, 253.50 up 95. June, 251.75 up 15. August, 246.80 up 27. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.